Hello student, we will continue chapter 3rd of class 8th NCERT solution exercise 3.2 chapter name understanding quadrilaterals. To find exterior angle of any polygon, that is sum of measures of external angle divided by number of sides of polygon. If we find number of sides of any polygon, then it is equal to sum of measures of external angle by exterior angles. Based on these properties, we will continue our questions. Sum number 1. Figure is on your screen. All these are exterior angles. We have to find the value of x. To find x, solution: add all three equals to 360. Reason: sum of measures of exterior angles. Solving: 125 plus 125 makes 250. 250 comes to right hand side. The value of x is 110. Now the next, sum number 2. Exterior angles are, this one is interior angle. We mark here first angle. First we will find this angle, then adding all these 5 angles up to 360. Angle 1 plus 90 equals to 180. Reason: linear pair. To find angle x, angle 1 is equals to 90 degree. Symbol of 90. Now x plus angle 1 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 equals to 360 degree. Give reason here: exterior angle property. Put the value of 1, that is 90, plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 equals to 360. Add 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. You will use right hand side of the page for rough work in the notebooks. Solving: value of x is 50 degree is required answer. Next, sum number 2. Find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. We have to find each exterior angle. Exterior angle equals to sum of measures sum of measure of exterior angle divided by number of sides. Sum, we know that exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree divided by how many sides? 9. Cancel. Exterior angle is 40 degree, that is your required angle. Sum number 3. Its second part you will try yourself. Simple question, 360 divided by 15 and you got your answer. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? In this question we will find number of sides. Formula we will use exterior angle equals to 24 degree, number of sides that is equals to sum of measures of exterior angle divided by exterior angle. That is 24. Sum 360. Exterior angle 24. Cancel. Now by 2. Then 6 15 is a number of sides are 15. Sum number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? This one is interior angle. First we will find its exterior angle. Exterior angle will be equal to 180 minus interior angle, that is 165, equals to 15 degree. Now number of sides of polygon, that is we will apply formula sum of measures of exterior angles by एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सिंपल सी बात, अगर आपने साइड्स निकालनी है तो सम के बाय में एक्सटीरियर एंगल करना है, और अगर एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकालना है देन सम के बाय में नंबर ऑफ साइड्स करना है. सिर्फ ये दोनों चीज़ें ही इंटरचेंज होती है. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स 360 by 15, cancel by 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3 2 are 3 0 are 5 2 are 5 4 are. Number of sides are 24 is your required answer. Next, sum number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Statement asks us, is it possible? See how we will do. Sum number 5, part A. Exterior angle equals to 22 degree. Now first we divide 360 by 22. If it is completely divisible, then it is possible. If it is not completely divisible by 22, then it is not possible. See, 2 11 ja 180. 180 is not divisible by 11. That's why it is not possible. How we will write? It is not possible because 360 is not divisible by 22. That is your required answer. Now the next, that is fifth B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Interior means to say interior angle of 22 degree. First we will find its exterior angle. That is equals to 180 minus 22. Use right side of the page for rough work. It makes 158. Now for it can be divide 360 by 158. If it is completely divisible, then it possible, otherwise not possible. See, 180 is not completely divisible by 79. That's why it also not possible as interior angle of a regular polygon. Right here, 360 is not divisible by 158 completely. So it cannot be interior angle of a regular polygon. Next, 6th A. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? Polygon made up of 9 segments. We need here minimum interior angle. Smallest polygon, triangle, and in triangle angle is of 60 degree in equilateral. So minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Part B. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Maximum exterior angle. If interior angle is 60 degree, then exterior angle maximum, that is 180 minus 60 makes 120 degree. Maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 180 minus 60 makes 120 degree. Now next we comes to example number 1 of this exercise. Here figure is given 90, 50, 110x all are exterior angles we have to find the value of x. So x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 will be equal to 360. Why? Because of exterior angle property. Solving, add, makes 250. 250 goes to right hand side. It makes 110. That is your required answer. Example 2. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. Number of sides. Equals to sum of measures of exterior angle by exterior angle. We know that total sum 360 degree of any polygon. Sum of measures of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 divided by 45. Cancel. Here number of sides are 8. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.